Welcome back to chrischew.com. Today I am at the biggest Starbucks in the world and I am having breakfast and a drink here. So there was a pretty long queue to get inside, but the queue was moving pretty fast in about 5 to 10 minutes.
The queue to get inside might look quite scary at first glance, but it moves very fast. I was quite far back in the queue, but I got in within about 10 to 15 minutes, so it doesn't actually take too long. But we were there about 8:30 in the morning, and people might have been faster at that hour. Along the magnificent mall in Chicago, Illinois, the United States, the Starbucks Reserve Roastery is a massive 5-story outlet occupying more than 35,000 square feet and is much more than your usual coffee run. At this outlet, you can enjoy interactive tours and roasting of rare reserve coffee beans, in addition to enjoying a cup of coffee on the rooftop deck at the 5th floor. It is an experience. I also thought it's very interesting that they actually welcomed the Chicago Marathon runners to the city. It was a very nice touch. There are so many different types of coffee. Which is your favorite? The outlet, there are also exclusive drink and food options that are inspired by Chicago's culture and history, and these cannot be found anywhere else at Starbucks in other parts of the world. Food options include desserts, pizza, bread, sandwiches, amongst many other things. Selection of pastries definitely look yummy. Which one is your favorite? Here you can see how coffee is made and filtered. I thought that this was pretty cool. First and second floors offer baked goods and reserve coffees, espresso drinks and teas, as well as limited edition merchandise and t-shirts that you cannot find anywhere else. Just look at the queue from the window. About 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning, this Starbucks outlet is already pretty crowded. Floor of the Starbucks Reserve Roastery is an experiential coffee bar where you can order unique Starbucks creations such as pistachio lattes and liquid nitrogen infused gelato coffee drinks. It is very interesting.
Again, there was another pretty short queue to queue up for our drinks, and now I'm sitting down waiting for the buzzer for the drink to be ready.
Let's take the escalator up to the 4th floor to find out what is up there. Are you ready? On the 4th floor, you can order specialty cocktails made by acclaimed local mixologists.
There is quite a number of people inside here, as I guess it's one of the main tourist attractions.
While the world's largest Starbucks is in Chicago, the birthplace of Starbucks is Seattle. And finally, we come to the 5th and top floor, which is a rooftop deck where you can sit back and enjoy your drinks. When we were in Chicago, the temperatures were around 7 to 12 degrees, which may have been a bit cold to enjoy a rooftop drink of coffee, but in warmer temperatures, I think that this will be very popular to sit back, enjoy the scenery, and just soak up the Magnificent Mile, which is the main shopping area in Chicago. There are plenty of photo ops at this Starbucks as well. I guess they know it is a tourist attraction all over the world.
Thank you so much for watching. This is Chris Chu from chrischu.com. If you're happy with what you have seen, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, I will catch up with you next time. See ya and bye.